I've been up all night trying to get this down. Now I'm hallucinating, staring at the wall. Look what I'm creating. Looking at the clock now, I'm 12 hours old. So many more remain. One way up ahead, I know I see a train. Over there, well, get on board, come on. Get on board, train, oh train, all those memories all over again. Come on, I didn't remember, I remember. Take me back, come on, take me back. Oh, I'm train, oh, I'm train. Journey ends, it starts again. Well, I remember, take me back. Waiting on the station all day, just to catch a glimpse of the morning train, just to see the wheels turn around, blowing up steam. You see what I mean? 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 Yeah, right. All right. Come on. Yeah, everybody. Train. Oh, train. All those memories all over again. When I